This is a Medway Class 494, which is the same as the BR187 locos. It's an Italian registered loco, but I also believe that Medway operates in Portugal and Spain. A nice sunny livery there. Nice little details of the flashes of different yellow there. The locomotive name on the cab there, Petra. All the freestanding handrails, little anti-slip pads on the roof. Got the LED lighting there. There's cab lighting in there. Factory fitted sound. There's 24 functions on the decoder. The announcements are all in German, but it's for a German company that's made the loco, I suppose. Clear screen there. And the rail joint sound. Both controllable functions. Let the loco settle down and then we'll shut down. It's a Piko Expert loco, so there's a really nice chassis and motor combination. Nice and smooth running. A little bit noise from the universal joints, but not too bad otherwise.